Hi guys, today we will be making this gorgeous DIY cork board. We'll be using the materials from Homemade Luxe kit, or you can just find these materials in your local craft store. To purchase this kit, go to homemadeluxe.com. Okay, first step is to cut out your Hexagon template, and this is a 5-inch hexagon. Next, place your Hexagon template on top of your 6-inch hexagon tile and use a box cutter to score along the lines, using a ruler to make sure the lines are straight. Once you've scored it, it can easily be cut and you have your hexagon. Now do this with all 10 of your hexagons. Next, you're going to be painting your hexagons. In your box is included a white and gold paint. I would suggest painting 5 white and 5 gold. Don't forget the edges. Painted all of your hexagons, go ahead and cut a small piece of your tape, about 1/2 inch, and use that as a spacer to make 2 diagonal lines on your cork board. You can also get creative with this and do any type of arrangement you would like. Then simply paint over your hexagons in the corresponding color and remove your tape and let dry. And there you have it, a gorgeous DIY hexagon cork board. You can use this on your fridge or on a wall and display pictures or notes in your family. Enjoy. If you would like to see more, subscribe to me on YouTube at The Bajan Texan or get your own project kit at homemadeluxe.com.